Are you looking for the best outdoor griddles? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor griddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Pit Boss 5-burner griddle with folding shelves. This outdoor griddle delivers on construction, ease of use and performance. It's sturdy, has 5 burners and can use up to 62,000 BTUs, among the most powerful on our list. Don't worry, the output is still manageable since those BTUs are divided between the number of burners. Each burner ignites with a simple turn, and the control panel is clearly labeled with temperature markings and how-to-use instructions. How it performed in lab tests. Dan DiClerico, director of our Home Improvement and Outdoors Lab, tested this griddle using our kitchen appliances lab protocols and said it's well designed and easy to assemble. Its folding shelves double as griddle covers once the griddle is cool and not in use. The handles make the griddle easy to move around, and the drip tray is accessible on the side of the unit where the grease drainage hole is located. DiClerico reported that chicken cooked on this Pit Boss model turned out more crisp and juicy than on a grill. I was a short-order cook on the Jersey Shore for a couple of summers, and this brought back memories of the ease and versatility of griddle cooking, he said. Long-term use. After using the griddle for over a year and cooking about once or twice a week on average, DiClerico noted that he most often uses the griddle for cooking smash burgers and breakfast, which includes bacon, eggs, pancakes and home fries, which he notes are super easy on the griddle. He hasn't had any trouble so far with starting the griddle, noting that it is easier to start than the grills and he can get it started on the first try. To keep the griddle in good shape, he cleans it right after every use and adds a thin coat of oil to prevent rusting between uses. Number 2. Blackstone 36-inch griddle with hard cover. For many cooks, Blackstone is synonymous with outdoor griddles. The model we tested is powerful, with a large, 769 square inch cooktop. It has 4 burners, folding side shelves and a bottom shelf, a magnetic tool holder, additional tool holders on the sides of the shelves, a paper towel holder and a bottle opener. How it performed in lab tests. In our tests, bacon cooked up crispy, and we could gently cook eggs on the low setting with minimal sticking. While we cooked, we noted that grease automatically pooled to the center back of the griddle, where the drainage hole is located, which helped food brown more evenly, created less smoking and sped up the cleanup. The griddle was also easy to season, but note that the lighter hue of the steel means it does discolor over time. Take note, overall, the frame is solid, but its material feels thin, and the lid on our sample arrived dented and is a little wobbly. It's designed to hang on the back of your griddle when not in use, but it does not lie flush with the back of the unit when the drip pan is in place. Number 3. Traeger Flatrock Flat Top Griddle. Though this outdoor griddle is the priciest on our list, it stands out for being the sturdiest and most decked out with features that make it easy to use. One tester who helped put the griddle together commented on how premium it felt right out of the box. It has a slick, easy-to-clean exterior, large, oversized folding shelves, a hinged lid and handles on either side. Its cooking surface is smaller than the others we tested but still offers plenty of room. Unlike many other outdoor griddles, the cooktop is recessed, i.e., it sits inside the unit's frame right above its 3 U-shaped burners. The design is intended to make it better at evenly distributing heat than its competitors, which situate the griddle atop the burners, with room between the cooktop and frame, and are susceptible to wind. This model has one of the largest rectangular drainage holes we tested. It's located on the front center of the griddle. The hole directs the grease below into a large, enclosed container with an oversized handle that helps it slide in and out easily. The container can be lined with disposable trays that the brand sells for easy cleanup. You can also buy additional accessories for the frame to hold your tools or paper towels. How it performed in lab tests. In our tests, we cooked all sorts of food with no trouble. Eggs cooked up great, as did veggies and steaks. The cooktop got nice and hot but never burned our food, nor was it too hot to work with. Take note, one unique detail about this griddle is that the ignition is electric and needs to be plugged in or powered by a battery to turn on. When plugged in, The griddle features flame and fuel sensors that confirm which burners are on and how much propane you have in the tank. Number 4. Blackstone Tabletop Griddle. This outdoor tabletop griddle is great whether you have a small outdoor space, are looking to make a quick meal, or need something powerful to cook on when you're camping or on a picnic. It's compatible with a small propane tank and is powerful at 22,000 BTUs. It has 2 burners, so you can cook with high heat on one side, say, sausage, and low heat on the other, great for pancakes. How it performed in lab tests. Like the large Blackstone we tested, the drain hole is in the center back of the griddle, giving you ample cooking space. The cooktop stands up to the durability and performance of similar full-sized models. It has a sturdy build that helps you feel confident while cooking, but it's just 32 pounds, so that you can move it around easily. Number 5. Weber Genesis Full-Size Griddle 300 Series. Weber makes it super easy to turn your gas grill into a griddle with this full-sized insert. It comes in several sizes and is designed to fit right into the brand's Spirit 2 300, Genesis 2 300, and Genesis 2 400 lines of gas grills when you remove the grill grates. While the griddle insert comes pre-seasoned, we seasoned it before using it as recommended by the manufacturer. The bread was evenly toasted in our tests, though the results were light compared to others tested over medium heat. The griddle insert performed well cooking bacon, chicken breasts, steak, eggs and veggies like asparagus. The drainage hole is located in the back corner and is easy to push grease into. The grease falls into the grill's drip pan below, which is easy to clean. How it performed in lab tests. Our favorite thing about this insert is that it allows you to griddle with the benefits of a gas grill. Using the grill's warming rack was neat, as was being able to griddle with the lid closed, a task that most outdoor griddles can't handle. As a result, we could cook thicker foods, like a thick chicken breast, more easily than we would have been able to by using a cloche on an outdoor griddle.